In this video, I will show you exactly how to add shapes to your designs using the layout elements in Adobe Express. Adding geometric shapes is one of the most effective ways to build structure and visual interest in any graphic project. To begin, you want to make sure your project is open and ready on the workspace. Take a look at the left side panel of your screen, where all the main design tools are located. You will see an icon labeled as Elements. Go ahead and click on that Elements tab to open up a new menu filled with various graphic assets. Once the panel expands, you will notice several categories like icons, frames, and textures, but the one we are looking for is titled shapes. This category is home to all the fundamental geometric options you might need, including circles, rectangles, stars, triangles, and squares. You can click on the See All button if you want to browse the entire collection of professional vector shapes available to you. When you find a shape that fits your vision, you have two easy ways to get it into your design. The first method is to simply click on the shape once, and Adobe Express will automatically place it right in the center of your canvas. Alternatively, if you want more control over the initial placement, you can click and hold your mouse on the shape and drag it directly onto the specific spot where you want it to appear. Once the shape is on your canvas, you can easily resize it by pulling the corner handles or change its color and opacity using the Properties menu on the right. Experimenting with these basic building blocks allows you to create background overlays, highlight important text, or build complex illustrations from scratch. It is a very versatile tool that every designer should master within the Adobe Express ecosystem. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope these tips help you create amazing new designs. If you found this helpful, please remember to subscribe for more creative tips. Until next time.